Hey, let me show you how you can turn off ads on your Redmi 14C. So as you can see here, I have ads in my file manager, and to remove it, you will have to simply go into the settings of the application that is actually sending you ads. So we have to actually go for apps, then go to the manage apps, and here input this phrase file manager, open it. And when you are here, just select to don't send notifications. Simply unselect them. And now when you go back into this application and simply go here, like search for some storage videos, as you can see, the ads doesn't pop anymore. We get the ad right here that is actually shown, but it's not popping on the screen. And also I'm going to show you how you can do this with other options. Now I'm going to actually close this one and open it one more time just to show you that it really works. So let's search for the file manager. There we go. As you can see right now, we don't have ads. So this is the great option to actually remove them. And now if I'm going to open my themes and go for any theme, like for example this one or this one. Okay, I will have to actually restart to let it work. Take a look. Right now I have also ads, right? So what I have to do is just to simply click on the My Account, go for the settings and select Show Ads. So we have to actually unselect this option to don't show ads. And now when I'm gonna go back, I can open any theme and I will don't have this annoying pop-up ads on my themes. And that's basically how you can do this with every with every application that's sending your ads on the Redmi 14C. Thanks for watching. Right now, please subscribe.